Let me show you my glowy glass skin routine. Hi, my name is Jessie and I'm a product chemist, and this NMN skincare range is formulated by me and made right here in Singapore. The NMN Super Smooth Gel Cleanser doesn't even contain any chemical bubbling agent. We use coconut. This ensures that the cleanser doesn't dry out your face and cause any sensitivity. With crazy ingredients like NMN, multi-peptides, multivitamins, 6 different hydrating ingredients and humectants to hydrate your face like crazy. This NMN skincare range also contains top whitening ingredients like dragon blood, tranexamic acid and glutathione. I am spraying on the NMN Hydrating Toner that can help you to increase the pH level of your skin for better absorption and to minimize your pores at the same time. This NMN Healing Serum has low molecular that can penetrate deep into your skin to help to heal your skin from within. My skin at this point is already starting to glow. This NMN Intensive Repair Cream repairs your skin barrier and locks in the moisture, so you can skip your moisturizer. This NMN Lifting Mist is what I call the anti-gravity spray. After spraying it on, you will see your face shrink a lot and uplift like crazy. Seeing is believing.
Wow!
Now let's balance out the other side. Let me show you the close-up again. You can practically see it shrink upwards, right in front of your eyes, making your face smaller and 5 years younger. For your night routine, followed by NMN Overnight Renewal Mask. This contains lactobionic acid, also known as PHA, to remove billions of dead cells overnight for you and giving you the glass skin the very next day. Last but not least, the NMN Dynamic Do-It-All DD Cream. Advanced technology to adjust to your own skin tone color, blurs out your pores, and plump up your skin to reduce wrinkles. And it does not clog pores. Look at how my pores and wrinkles disappear. It is not only a foundation, it is also an SPF 30 sunblock filled with 50 over anti-aging ingredients for you. Try out our intensive skincare set in the card below.